Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today you will see how to crochet amazing cord with spider web pattern. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook, beads and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. Please join me. Let's crochet the cord. I will begin from the chain, then pull up a loop. At this point I am joining a bead. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Then grab the working loop, pull it through. Then make a chain with bead. Then chain of 5 for the chain space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. Then chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Instead of first double crochet, pull a little bit, make a chain, turn the work, yarn over the hook, make double crochet around the chain space and thread with bead like this. Let's count them. 1. In total it should be 6 of them. Make a chain and double crochet 2 and chain 3 and chain 4 and chain 5 and chain 6 and chain, and make the 7th double crochet into the chain that I did with bead. Here what I have. First row of my segment is ready. Continue. Continue with the next row. Make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Then chain of 2 for the chain space. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook. And make double crochet into the double crochet of the previous row. Then chain of 2. And double crochet into the double crochet. Chain. Chain of 2. And double crochet into the double crochet, chain of 2 and double crochet into the double crochet, chain of 2 and double crochet into the double crochet, chain of 2 and double crochet through the stitch of the previous row, chain of 2, and I insert the hook into the 1, 2 into the third chain stitch. Make double crochet. My row 2 is ready. Let's crochet row 3. It's gonna be a row with stitches with picot. Make a chain, turn the work, make single crochet into the stitch of the previous row, chain of 3 for the picot and work with a slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. Picot is ready, and 2 single crochet into the chain space. Then single crochet into the double crochet and chain of 3 for the picot and work with a slip stitch into 2 loops of. Then 2 single crochet into the chain space and single crochet into the stitch, work with the picot, then 2 single crochet with picot, here what I have. It is very easy and unusual at the same time. Make 2 single crochet, then single crochet with picot, 2 single crochet, and single crochet with picot. Two single crochet and single crochet with picot. Then 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch, make single crochet, but without picot. So my small motif or small segment is ready. Here what I have. It is very delicate spider web segment. You can use it like a separate motif or segment to create earring or pendant. I remind you, all additional information about the tools that I'm using in the video could be found in the description of each video tutorial. I continue working on my cord. Pull up the working loop. At this point I am joining a bead, take a bead, put it on the hook. Grab the yarn, pull it through. Make a chain. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make a slip stitch. Pull a little bit. And my base for the next segment is ready. Turn the work. Insert the hook into the chain space and thread that I did with bead. Make single crochet, then chain of 2, pull up the working loop, insert the hook into the picot, grab the yarn, pull it through, make a chain, insert the hook into the chain space, make double crochet into the chain space and thread. I'm making 4 double crochet. Make double crochet and chain 1, 2, and chain 3 and 4 and chain, and make double crochet into the chain with bead. Well done. So my first row is ready. Chain of 3 instead of first stitch for the second row of the segment, and chain of 2 for the chain space. Turn the work and double crochet into the double crochet of the previous row. Then chain of 2 and double crochet into the double crochet. Chain of 2 and double crochet into the double crochet. Chain of 2 and double crochet into the double crochet. Then make chain of 2 for the chain space. Then insert the hook into the stitch that I did into the picot, make double crochet, pull up the working loop, turn the work, and insert the hook into the next picot, grab the working loop with the through, make a chain, and single crochet into the stitch of the double crochet. Then chain of 3 for the picot and work with the slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. Then 2 single crochet and single crochet with picot into the stitch. Then single crochet into the stitch and 2 single crochet into the chain space and single crochet into the stitch. With picot, 2 single crochet and single crochet with picot into the stitch. Insert the hook into the chain space, make 2 single crochet, then insert the hook into the 1, 2, 3 into the third stitch, make single crochet without picot. Then you should work with the next segment. My second segment is ready. Here how it looks. I've done 2 segments. Here how they look like at this point. So you should repeat as many times as you need for your project. I will start and you will continue with your own as usually. I have already put the bead on the hook. Grab the working loop, pull it through, make a chain, then chain of 5 for the chain space, and so on. And I remind you, you should work with your own as many times as you need. So that's it, my project is ready. And right now I show you how to complete it. Once I have done the last single crochet into the third chain stitch, I didn't do the picot here, and right now I'm making the picot here. Chain of 3 for the picot, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into 2 loops, make a slip stitch. Then to secure the yarn by making a chain, and pull a little bit. If you would like to make bracelet or necklace, you should leave a long piece of yarn to sew tools for the jewelry. And let's look what I have done. Here how it looks when you are done. This is my own pattern. I created it recently for you. For example, I have done exact cord but using another color of yarn. Here how it looks. I did it in lace style or lace method. First of all, I did a motif or segment. Then I continue working with the next one and next and so on. Firstly, I did segment that I will not repeat in the next time. And then I'm crocheting the second one, and you should repeat the second segment as many times as you need for your lace, tape or cord. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook, and I remind you, all additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. It is very easy to make, so you don't need special skills. And please write comment below this video what you will get and where you will use my pattern. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!